Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to block ads using AdGuard DNS. Simply go to settings. Now here you can see the option connections. Tap on this one. Now scroll down. Tap on the option more connection settings. Here you can see the option Private DNS. Tap on this one. Then from here you need to select the option Private DNS provider host name. Tap on this one. So here you have to enter dns.adguard.com. Then you need to tap on the option save. You can see under private DNS, dns.adguard.com. So simply in this way we can block ads using AdGuard DNS. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.